Welcome, my name is Barry Payne and I am talking to you from Nelson, New Zealand. This region is the birthplace of Lord Ernest Rutherford, one of the great physicists of the last century. He was the first man to build a particle accelerator and to split the atom. His work is truly inspirational. My wife Janet is helping me here tonight. She is from Germany and I do love her so. She's a little shy and won't appear on the camera. There is an equation in physics which shows it is impossible for an object with mass to reach the speed of light because its mass will become infinite. This is based on Einstein's famous equation E equals mc squared. If he were alive today, I would love to ask him if an object did this, would it result in some kind of supermassive explosion of unlimited power? What is now called a Big Bang. I would like to ask Stephen Hawking this question. Does Einstein's equation show us the first instant of a Big Bang, the creation of a new and expanding universe? Here is another question. What happens when mass crosses the event horizon and enters a black hole? If it reaches the speed of light within the black hole, it must surely become infinite and explode as a Big Bang. A few thoughts here. Essentially, there is no difference between, say, a single proton or an entire solar system. The exploding mass cannot become any more infinite. Also, as more mass enters the black hole, reaches the speed of light and explodes in an ongoing sequence of Big Bangs, the combined resulting mass cannot become any more infinite. I've always wondered why galaxies aren't simply devoured into supermassive black holes. These holes in space must have an exploding outer core being held in place by the enormous weight crushing in over the event horizon. Two great forces, one expansive and one collapsing, to hold each other in place. My wife has a university degree, but I do not. My only credentials as a physicist are having a paper accepted by NASA's Ames Research Center, which was sent on to the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. The paper was titled Terraforming Mars with Engineered Asteroid Impacts. The title lets you know what it was about. There are ethical questions that are raised by some of these ideas. Just because we may be able to cause a Big Bang, there is no reason to try and do so. An example of this is the CERN Particle Accelerator. If you wonderful group of men and women are trying to accelerate any kind of mass and reach the speed of light with it, please hold back and consider what you are doing. The result is likely to be an expanding cloud of superheated energy and gas reforming as mass where our Earth used to be. If any university or research facility is interested in the materials discussed in this video, please contact me. I'll be more than happy to start working on it professionally. I'm currently doing experiments with gravity fields and have a useful theory on the particle wave duality of light photons. Until later, thank you for listening. Have a good day.